In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to a PayPal account, and you'll see just how quick and easy it is. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and type in PayPal's website, or simply click on the link if it's provided in the description. Once you arrive at the home page, you're going to look for the login option. It should be prominently displayed near the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be redirected to the login screen. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password, the credentials associated with your PayPal account. Be sure to check for typos to avoid any login issues. Once you've double checked your details, go ahead and click on Login to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your home page, a central hub showing your recent activity and account summary. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Send and Request option. It's usually listed as a tab or button on the main screen or within a menu. This section is where you'll be able to manage your outgoing payments and requests for money. After selecting Send and Request, you'll see a space to input the email address or mobile number of the person you're sending money to. Make sure you've got the correct details, double check them to ensure you're sending the payment to the right person. Once you're sure, move on to specify the amount you wish to send. You'll also need to select the currency, especially if you're dealing in foreign transactions. Next, you can add a note or purpose, which is especially helpful for keeping track of what the payment is for, or if you need to provide the recipient with some context. After entering this information, you'll be prompted to click on Next. At this stage, you'll need to choose the purpose of your payment. This is where you select whether you're paying for goods and services or transferring money to friends and family. Keep in mind that choosing goods and services might involve different fee structures due to protection policies. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Now it's time to select your preferred method of payment. You can choose to pay using your PayPal balance or an alternative method such as a linked bank account. Make sure to review all the details on this page before proceeding. Once satisfied, hit the Send button. Finally, you'll receive a confirmation message reassuring you that your money has been successfully sent. This confirmation not only provides you peace of mind, but also serves as a record of your transaction. And that's all there is to it. You've now sent money using PayPal. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.